In autumn, many of Rupert's animal friends are busy preparing for winter. Autumn is a good time to be mindful of the wildlife we share our environment with. We're going to make some origami animals and think about what animals you might see in the autumn. But first, what is origami? Origami is the technique of folding paper into different forms. Alfred Bestall, one of the Rupert illustrators, was very interested in origami. He brought lots of amazing origami activities to the Rupert annuals. This is Murray, and he's going to show you how to make an origami fox. Before Mary Tortel created Rupert, she made different books, including one called 3 Little Foxes. Mary also added 2 fox twins to the characters of Nutwood. Here is what you'll need to make an origami fox. Square origami paper. To make our fox, we are going to use orange paper. First, take the paper and fold it in half. Open up the paper again and fold it in half along the other way. Now we are going to take the 2 corners on the longer side of the triangle and fold them into the other corner. This will create a square shape again. Fold the square in half. Find the section where the corners meet and fold 2 layers to the left and the other to the right, like this. Try to make your folding symmetrical on both sides. This is how we create the fox's ears and front legs. Fold out the middle point to create the fox's face. Fold in the opposite corners to create the fox's tail. If you like, you could draw in eyes and a nose. Remember, origami can be very tricky, so don't feel bad if your model isn't perfect. There are many origami animal designs. Why not experiment and create some other animals? Thank you for watching.